Welcome EPS parents and students. Today we will show you how to access Microsoft Teams on your Android device. We will be using Teams as a multimedia, multi-party communication platform to connect teachers and students. To download Microsoft Teams, open your Google Play Store app on your Android device. Tap in the search bar and type Microsoft Teams. Tap on the magnifying glass to search. Tap on Microsoft Teams and tap Install. Once it's finished downloading, tap on Open, tap Sign In, tap by username and type in your username, and tap Sign In. Tap Next, tap by password, enter your password and tap Sign In. Assignments, files, notes and more, all your classroom basics are here. Tap Next. Group conversations let you share content quickly and make sure that every voice is heard. Tap Next. Use channels to organize student work around units and projects. Tap Next. Create teams for staff, activities, and student clubs too. Tap Got It. You have now successfully logged on to Microsoft Teams on your Android device.